My name is Ezrill Jauhari. I'm from the Z1E. Welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to be presenting on how to choose your phone based on your specifications. Let's start. One of the things that makes smartphones real vital to people's daily life is because of its efficiency. No matter it is for work or education or even entertainment, just like video games. Just 30 years ago, smartphone didn't even exist. But then, nowadays, we can't even remember the last time we used our phone for today. Mobile phones and the internet are influencing the way we do things and the way we connect with people, either through social media or face to face. Even the phones or smartphones are common nowadays. People tend to confuse themselves on what type of phone they needed, and in the end, they brought the wrong one, which is bad. For example, let's just say I'm your average photographer who really loves to take photos as a memory to cherish later on. So, I give an advice for myself that I should buy a phone that has a very great performance on camera. Second, very large data storage unit. And third, and of course the last one, very large battery life, a very good one. Yes. So let's begin. First, one of the main things you have to do is to identify what type of user you are. Let's just say, if you are a teenager or a student that really loves snapping pictures or recording videos of events in school, I highly recommend that you buy a phone that has a very large storage unit and a very good CPU, or known as computer processing unit. CPU, it can help you render your videos or photos, both are the same thing, same function. It makes your image clearer. You can see it's like real life. Besides that, if you're a hardcore gamer who really plays his game 24 hours straight, then I really suggest you buy a gaming phone. A gaming phone has a very good central power unit, or known as CPU, and also GPU, known as graphic processing unit, that helps keep the lagging at bay and also keep the performance good when you play games as it doesn't stuck. And lastly, decent RAM. Alright, the first one, which is CPU. What is CPU? I have explained earlier, but I will get to the details. CPU is known as central power unit. Basically, the brain of your smartphone. And the CPU receives commands, make instant calculations, and set signals throughout your smartphone. Do not confuse it with GPU, or the long name known as graphic processing unit. Forgive me. It's like you can make an example. The CPU is like a boss, and you can see the GPU as an accounting department that's crunching the numbers a bit quickly. GPU, or known as graphic processing unit, only to its name, it renders all the photos, videos, and even video games that you had in your phone. So I can show you an example, but I have to show you the game. Alright, let's go. Alright, more. RAM, or literally known as Random Access Memory. Its main function is to store a small cache files as a way to make a quick loading and faster execution of the selected app. I will show you an example. Right, you see the phone? Okay. I will open Instagram. Alright, you see? And then I open Twitter. After that, I open Facebook. The main point is, I can open many apps but without lagging. That's the point of RAM. We have storage units. In phones, the storage units are called SSD, which in turn are called solid state drive. Solid state drive are only found in Android phones. Modern phones, like this one and this one, and of course this one, have a newer generations called solid. It's not storage microchips. Storage microchips are used to store data effectively. Alright, I'm going to show you the example for storage units or SSD. I will open my phone. Alright, here. I hope you can see it. Alright, you see the files. And here the storage, local storage. Alright, here is where the SSD function, or in modern phone, storage microchips. Yes. Alright, these are images with 3 gigs. All my data are stored in here. Based on this explanation, you are now able to choose which phone to your liking without any much trouble, like you used to. So now and then, you can focus on the minors such as design and the new features of a brand. Now put it aside. Now that you have seen the steps to identify it, I think you are ready to buy a new phone. So today, I have demonstrated the steps on how to choose a phone on your specification. To wrap it all up, learn the simple steps and you'll get to buy a good and affordable phone at a reasonable price. My final thoughts. Lastly, I really hope you all take this advice to heart, as it's quite useful and helpful for you in the future if you want to buy a new phone. Based on the explanations, you are now able to choose which phone to your liking without any much trouble you are used to. Only then and now, you can focus on the minors such as designs, the colors, and of course the new features on the new phones. Put that aside. In conclusion, so today, I had demonstrated the steps on how to choose your phone based on your specifications. To wrap it all up, learn this simple step, and in the future, or maybe tomorrow, you will be able to buy a good and reasonable phone at an affordable price. Final thoughts. My final thought is, lastly, I really hope you all take this advice to heart, as it is quite useful information in the future, right now and then, when you need to buy a new smartphone for yourself or your loved ones. That's all. Thank you.